Yeah, Sirski. We live, baby. We live, baby. Let me know if y'all can hear the kid. I'm gonna check it out here on my phone. Oh, I'm live. What we doing, people? Let's get to it. Good morning. What's up, Sadir? We live, baby. How's everybody feeling? Good morning. Good morning. You beautiful motherfuckers. How y'all feeling? What's up, people? What we doing? What up, Mike? What up, No Limit? Yes, sir. What we doing? Who your homies and who is your friends? Honestly, baby, I only pretend. Is they gonna ride me down to the end? Counting the check for counting my friends. I used to walk. And now I count M's, invest in my stocks and count dividends. Big ass house and a big ass thing. All right, people. Good morning to you, motherfuckers. You see here on the new mic. Good morning, Jenny. All right, people. Your skin looks awesome. Thank you. What's up? What's up, Paris? I'm doing fucking fantastic. How y'all feel this morning? How's everybody feeling? If you happy as hell to be alive today, be abundant today, I need you to go ahead and drop a emoji in the chat. You dig? Because today's a grand day. So before we start this stock market talk and this money talk, I've decided to call the show. We got the show. We're going to call it Money Mondays. Money Mondays. That's what we're going to call it. Money Monday or Motivational Mondays or I don't know who I was watching, but I seen a couple people. What the hell? I seen a couple people, call their show a name. And that's usually how you get, some trending action where people start tuning in every single week. They come to fuck with it. And we've been doing this for over a year. So y'all got any names? Y'all think Money Mondays is good? If you fuck with Money Mondays, drop an emoji for me. Life Coffee Table says, good morning, Sesh. Can I send you some beat placements? Hey, let's get it. Email me. Is my email? Oh, they don't let me see what I my description I can't see right now. But can I add a virtual background? I'm about to see if I can add a background, y'all. Let me see something. Oh, shit. No, we're going to leave it on none. Can y'all still see me? Let me know if y'all can still see me. I went into the settings. She says, let's leave it as Money Mondays. What y'all think? Money Mondays? This is what I'm believing to call the show. This is what I'm fixing to call the show. Money Mondays. Manifesting Money Mondays. That's hard. I wanted to put manifestation in there. See, we got the fresh squeeze. Oh, shit, over here. Fresh squeeze, you did. Janny says, manifesting Money Mondays. Money Mondays where we focus on the M's, you dig? Zenga paid for a Money Mondays. Oh, shit. Well, tell Zenga to holler at me. Money Mondays. Hey, yeah. So we're going to call it Money Mondays, manifesting Money Mondays. Try out those two. Same concept, but look. I put some plays up in the Discord, and then when I woke up this morning, you'll never believe what happened. My stocks look terrible. There seems to be nothing new over the last, 60 days. I mean, the stocks have just been looking like stocks are a bit ugly. You know what I mean? They're not really good looking right now. So what that means for me is I'm going to go ahead and buy the dip. I've seen it before and plenty of times where the big dogs want us to be scared. They want us to sell off all of our positions so they can buy it all back at a cheap price. This is one thing I've noticed. Again, people, let me know if you've noticed in the chat, please. I noticed They're allowing a lot of people, a lot of young people to get a lot of cash. They're allowing you to get some money. They're allowing you to, they give out checks now when you stay home during the pandemic. They're giving money away, right? And then they telling and convincing everybody, go get into the metaverse, go buy NFTs and shit, right? I get it. You don't ever want to be without, you want to fuck with it. But look, what happens if y'all put all y'all bread into it? You know what I mean? You put all your money into it, and then they decide that because they're really pushing the black people to do this. Pardon me. They're really pushing the black people to, well, all people. So that's not. I ain't gonna try to make some race shit, but especially black people. I'm noticing we're some of the biggest investors in some of these coins. So with that being said, I just always wonder, well, shit, what happens if they make that thing go to zero? Then you spend all your real actual money because you in the metaverse. You feel me? Y'all in the metaverse, doing whatever the fuck you think you're doing. You're spending all your money on Call of Duty points in the metaverse and all these outfits and shit. But then when it's time to buy land and ownership, you don't have anything in the real world. Y'all focused on digital. So that's how my mind's working on the topics. I understand that NFTs and crypto and all that is the future, but I'm just saying I'm still gonna keep a little cash. I don't fully trust them folks. All right, so look, I got the plays that I listed here in the Discord. Let me go ahead to plays of the day. So again, if you were in the Discord, you got these plays the night before. Yeah, stick to stocks for the most part. And look, don't get it wrong, I have about $4,000 invested in crypto. I know to some that's not a lot, but to some it is a fair amount. For me, especially where I came from, I never used to have 4x to just put into something. I got another 15, 16, 17,000 in stocks. So it feels good to have that money invested, but look, I have 16 or 17 in stocks and then about 4,000 in crypto. So I will be getting some more of both, but I'm just giving y'all my ideas on like what could happen. Definitely agree with keeping cash on hand. Very important. Yeah, you got to always have some free capital. I preach this a lot. This is one thing. Did y'all get a chance to see my video from over the weekend? I made the video on how my top 3 losses in the stock market of 2021. Surprisingly fucking enough, I only had 3 losses in the market. My first date of investing was October 9th. It was either 9th or 19th, 2020. So then we fast forward to October 9th or 19th of 2021. I was actually ROI positive in my public portfolio, and we were only down like 1 or 200 in Robinhood. So it's like it's crazy how much has happened since October. Since October, the market has just changed drastically. We see the repercussions of inflation. We see also the repercussions of getting all them what you call them stimulus checks. Do y'all remember when they gave out all them stimulus checks? First, we didn't have no chicken. Listen, I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna walk y'all right through it. We didn't have no chicken, right? No money. But then they created some big things that would take all our attention off of what's going on in the world and all this other shit. George Floyd happens randomly, right? He happens. All the attention goes to George Floyd. We then make racial wars, right? As the racial wars start to happen, we got to realize all white people are not evil. I want to put this out there because the rich people, the richest people, they don't like them either. They don't like all of us. They just have those people doing the work for us. You know what I'm saying? Limiting minorities to do things, and so there's really an agenda. We gonna get into that another time, but all the money that happened, all the money that they gave out during that time is impacting us right now. They actually made more money during M2 Finance made more money during 2020. 20% of the money that's circulating cash was made in 2020, was literally printed. So these people just printing money. George Floyd's daughter literally got shot recently. Did you see that? No. But there's things there's things that go into that. I can't talk too much on that right now, but there are some things that go into that. There's a lot of stuff we didn't know. Apparently, he knew that cop. He had certain tattoos on his body that show certain things. So I can't talk too tough into it, but did you ever notice, like growing up, there would always be like a natural disaster or something occurring, but then Michael Jackson has to go into the news. There's always, if y'all pay attention, every time something significant happens, simultaneously there's something else that occurs in the news that we need to divide our attention to. I say all that long-winded answer shit to say investing is key. We have to buy the dips because this is what the richest people are doing. When turmoil, when Great Depression happened, Disney, Exxon, they stayed around and they bought shit, and now they're still here and they're powerhouses to this day. So I'm not going to sell shit. Blessings, Brody. Blessings, Brody. All right, so look, I got some crypto plays for y'all. Without further ado, I said all that to say I have crypto plays for you, and I have some stocks that I'm going to be buying. You feel me? I got some stocks that I'm going to be buying. You tell me what you think. I'm going to open up my crypto app again right here. Don't want you getting canceled for speaking the truth, man. People don't, yeah, and it's all good. You know, look, Peep Game, my music video, they're limiting the views on this right now because I'm not gonna speak that to the universe, but there's so much things that happen on the back end of the music video. We got taken down for monetization for it because they're saying we're copyrighting the beat and all that stuff, and I get it, but at that same time, I bought the beat. You feel me? So I got some stuff to do on the back end because now they're not even allowing me to run ads on it. You know what I mean? Or to show it to people. So, that is what it is. But the good news is we still here. You know what I mean? I still got a core 1,000, 2,000 people that fuck with me and that they're showing my content too. You feel me? It's all part of the game. All right, look, here go to crypto. The crypto that I seen that was low last night were number one, Ethereum. That's how I'm coming. Ethereum is, oh shit, it's an amazing coin. Y'all know this is my biggest position. Let me open up crypto.com. You dig what I'm talking about? Crypto.com. And we go right here. So, oh wait, can y'all see my screen? Let me change the layout to this. Let me know if you can see. How can you see the screen? Is it good? You going hard. You snapped in your verse. I appreciate that, Brody. Can y'all see the screen? That picture should come through clear. If y'all can see, let me see. Can y'all see? Let me know in the chat. I'm gonna run down these crypto coins. Okay, here are the comments. Yes. Paris says you can see. Farva says he can't see. Sadia says you can see it. They say, yeah, I can see it. Okay. So look. I had some vegetables earlier. My bad, y'all. All right, so look at the price of Ethereum. I mean, this shit is real shitty right now. $3,100. This is beautiful from a buyer standpoint, but maybe not as beautiful if you have been a shareholder. It can be scary to see our money go down. But historically, when I research and I read the books that I'm reading, and history always has a way of interestingly enough repeating itself and shit. So there's no need to worry. I think you only lose money, and I think this quote goes, you only lose money when you sell. So if I were you, man, I can't tell you what to do because I'm not your financial advisor. My Robinhood portfolio was technically down $200 October. So, you don't have to listen to me, but Warren Buffett underperformed the S&P. I showed you some of the top hedge fund investors that also underperformed, but these same people have Ethereum. These same people believe in crypto as well. Ethereum is $3,100, and in the last 24 hours, it went up 1%. So this is a good sign for me. I love the coin. I'm damn sure going to buy a lot of it. Next, we have CRO. CRO is amazing too. If you see here, where am I at? CRO. Where do they even rank CRO on here? Okay, so we're going to have to find them. They don't even got my boys ranked up there. I believe it's about 47 cents. Yeah. Oh, that's Cardano. Crypto.com right now is 45 cents. 44 cents here, 45 cents. What y'all think about it? Let me know in the chat what you're feeling about crypto.com, CRO. I'm very bullish. My girl keeps using that damn word all the time. Yeah, I'm bullish in CRO. It's an amazing coin. And I'm look at the market cap right here. This is $11 billion. They're doing 24 hours. The volume after 24 hours is 180 million. There's literally stocks that I've seen that have been around for 20 years that don't do this, that don't have the market cap that this has, that don't have the daily volume that these coins have. The circulating supply is about 25 billion coins. So There's plenty of us to go around. There's plenty of coins to go around. I like it. Y'all let me know what y'all thoughts are on CRO. Sadia says she's bullish. Bullish on CRO. I waited for the dip to get in. It's 45 cents. Like, what else? Y'all spend money on frivolous shit all the time. Like, there's crazy things all the time. Pardon me. Y'all spend money on things all the time. You can literally take $5 cash, and you can put it into something. I'm not saying you're going to get the biggest return, but if you do $5 every day, if you do all of a sudden, then once you make some more money, $10 every day, $20. You know what I mean? As you got to keep going. I've been holding and staking CRO since it was 10. I will be staking some CRO too. That's a hell of a point, Raider Shoes. I'm going to be staking some CRO and getting the crypto.com debit card. That card gives you 10% cash back on your purchases. It pays for Spotify. It pays for your Netflix. And every time you purchase, you get paid in crypto. And you can stake your crypto. So does anybody out here have the crypto.com card? Anybody in the chat? Anybody got the chat? Got to slide out, but y'all stay blessed. All right, Jacob, fuck with you, bro. Have a good day. Sending love to all y'all. So CRO, boom. Very affordable, 45 cents. After that, the coin I wrote down, there's a couple. I have Solana. Solana is only $150, but look, y'all need to understand that last night it was $1. Oh no, Solana is only 136. Last night when I typed this, it was 140. So now it's on even more of a sale. It's on even more of a sale. Yes, I have it. Oh, so y'all got the card. A couple of y'all got the card. That's fire. What you think of it? What do you think of the card? We got Solana. Now, just take a gander at this. For some of the people who are saying crypto isn't shit or saying that it won't make it, just I want y'all to rock with me. Just vibe with me for a second, okay? Let's go to I'm going to actually open up a stock because I want to see something. I want to see how much money is actually invested in these things. Damn, the stock market looks horrible. Oh, my goodness. Woo. Okay, so AMC. AMC, right? AMC has a market cap of $11 billion. Solana has a market cap of $42 billion. Are we seeing this? Are y'all seeing the same info? No, but I need to get it. Thanks for putting me on. Hell yeah, Carly. You know, it's all love. Is this app I should be acquiring crypto instead of Coinbase? Yeah, I buy, again, if y'all need to see the video on what's my favorite crypto apps of 2021, y'all need to check that out. I got CoinMarketCap, Crypto.com. Those are the two best for crypto. Hands down. To me. Hands down. You get it's fire. I love them CRO rewards. So I'll be having that card, but you need to have each version of the crypto.com card. You got to have a certain amount of CRO in your portfolio in order to qualify and stake that amount of crypto. So you have to have at least $400 worth. So I'll be having that within these next couple of weeks. And I'll be able to get the card. So I'm excited about that. I'll link that video 1 second. Thank you, Sadia. Appreciate it. And here is the link if anybody wants to call in. So this is the new. Can I favorite it? Boom. So anybody who wants to call, oh shit. Anybody who wants to call in? Oh, that's Sadia. Anyone who wants to call in, you copy this link right here, and you'll be able to video chat live. So every Monday, that's a new element we're going to be adding. You'll be able to call in live and video chat. Okay, but AMC has a market cap of 11 billion, and this Solana right here is 42 billion. Every day they're trading 24 hours. Look, it says right here, a measure of how much of cryptocurrency was traded in the last 24 hours. Within the last 24 hours, they traded almost 2 billion. Almost 2 billion. Like, I don't know, like, do y'all see this? You've been missing a few mode. That I was a loss. Thanks. I don't know what the hell you talking about. Yep. So Solana is incredible. Let's see if there's any new news on it. I believe I could just scroll down in the news about it. Okay, here go the news. Polygon co-founder weighs in on Solana versus Polygon debate. Here's something nice. They have a price analysis. Let's see what the hell we got going on. Solana is one of my favorites. Definitely one of my favorites. I will be getting a lot more of this coin. All right, Solana, it says over the past 3 days, Solana, what the fuck? I don't want to do none of that. Appreciate it. Solana saw increased selling pressure, leading to a descending triangle breakout on a 4-hour chart. It fell below 61% for Fibonacci support and tested 167 mark multiple times. Despite a rival RSI, look at the week 39. Also, DMI showed a bearish preference, while the ADX displayed a strong. Okay, so it's just telling you why it went down. Okay, I thought it was kind of going to give us. So there's no significant news on it. All the cryptos are down. When Bitcoin goes down, guess what? Everything else typically, not all the time, but typically goes down. So you can expect to get you a sell there. So SOLCRO, Ethereum, and now we got AXS. This is a play to earn game. I made a video on this before. I don't know if y'all saw it, but I made a video on this before. Polygon is on sale. Shout out to my dog Jasper. Matic is on sale. I'll also recap the cryptos he mentioned after, just in case y'all missed it. Hell yeah. You've been MIA a few months and YouTube has been hectic without you. Oh shit. No, hell no. I've been on here. That's crazy. No, I've been on here. I've been on here, Shane. Yes, sir. I've been on here. They what they did was they probably unsubscribed me from your channel. Kevin Samuels, another person I follow, Universe Inside You, they unsubscribed me from their channels. So like if people posting controversial things or things that are about financial literacy and stuff, y'all might want to check because they may have unsubscribed you from some people that you haven't seen in a while. I know y'all notice on Instagram you ain't seeing the people you used to see usually, you know? So keep that in mind. All right, next, Axie Infinity. I told you about this coin. This is a play to earn game where you can actually own digital land. There was a plot of land that just sold for $1.2 million. People paid to live in the metaverse next to Snoop Dogg. So there's a very, very big market for this shit. The market cap is still $4 billion. They're trading every day over the last 24 hours anyway. $244 million. There's still 60 million circulating supply. I do like the coin. It is still new. It is still proving itself. But if the market's going to correct itself, and this goes back to even what it was, let's say it goes back to 220. Me loading up at 70, I get to ride that all the way to 220. So that's literally what, $130 plus, $150 that I would be making per share, per coin rather. So let me know what y'all think of AXS, stock market shit, SOS. Yes, my homie, shout out to my homie D Black who put me on OpenDAO. That is the ticker symbol SOS. We talked about that like a week or two ago, but I don't know where to buy it, but it's been going crazy. There's another coin I've been looking at. I haven't told anybody about. I mentioned it here before, but it's called Eartha. ERTHA. I have no idea where to buy it yet. I haven't looked into it, but you feel me? It's been growing. Let me see if I can show y'all. Let me see if I can show y'all. That shit crazy. What the hell is Cheryl Cooper? Let me see if I can find that for y'all. I realize and I'm back. I appreciate you, Brody. Here it is, OpenDAO. I don't know what price this is. I'm not sure what this number is. Really don't know what the answer is, but they have a $360 million market cap. They're trading every day about 61 million, and they have, look how many SOS coins they have circulating. 91 billion. No wait, 91,477 billion. Damn, That's a lot of coins. Does anybody know what this number is? This is damn sure less than a penny. So whatever this is, this thing has been going crazy. How do I look at the? Let's check it out over the 1 month. The 1 month. 1 year. Yeah, I don't see this motherfucker changing. They doing you like the new Bob Marley. That's all good. It's all good. Hell no, I ain't gonna get done like Bob. It's my nigga. That's my dog. I want to still be monetized. Open Dow is a banger. I love this stock. I don't know where to buy it. If anybody knows where to buy it, let me know. It's ranked 243rd coin on Coin Market Cap, so that's good. It's in the top 300 coins. It's new. Ever since it came out, it's been going up. My chart is not uploading right now. When I want to see the 1 year chart. It's not showing me right now, but oh, here we go. Here we go, people. So look, 2021, we had a slight drop. Oh, let me open up this chart a bit. Let me open it up. Is this today? Okay, this is today. So we had another dip where we could buy right here. This was a good buy. Anytime it drops below resistance, let me see. Yeah, it was a bit high here, but here we had another dip. We had another dip December 29th. Let's see what it did over the last 3. Damn, whatever it did last year, last December was crazy. December 25th, 2021. They in one day, 24 hours, they had $503 million of this share traded, 645 million. Good God. And then they traded down. But this coin, as you see, it came down in price. So if you like it and you believe in it, you might want to go ahead and get you some. Let's see what's next. The next crypto coin that I have is XRP. Y'all know about XRP. We talk about it frequently here. XRP. Shout out to what's his name? Crypto guy or BitBoy. He's telling us some information about XRP. He believes there could be a real big breakthrough once the allegations and the court cases are settled. I've had XRP for some time, and they've been in court for a while. As you see, 47 billion coins circulating, $35 billion market cap, and a $1.8 billion average volume over the 24. Who here likes XRP? I'm gonna go back to the chat. Who here likes XRP? Who here likes XRP? Let me know. Let me know. XRP, we got Raider shoes. My dog Dre here says, "Don't cheat yourself. Join the Discord link in the description." Hell yeah, Dre. Appreciate you, Brody. Anybody else here have XRP? Chuck Hawkins slowly been DCA into XRP. Dollar cost averaging into XRP. That's fire. Jasper says he got some XRP. That's fire. And Raider shoes says he has a little bit on Uphold. This is our first stock of the day that I see is on super duper sale. Again, I'm not your financial advisor. You dig me? I'm just telling you what I know and what I'm going to do. Y'all are seeing in broad day, the crypto coins have a higher average volume. They have bigger market caps than a lot of these companies. So it's good to see that there's a lot of money in crypto. Money is circulating on a daily basis. People are putting their money into it, and there's an exceptional amount of the coins you could buy. So the first the first stock of the day that is on sale is Neo. Who is in Neo? Do I got any XRP veteran here? That's lit. Do I have any Neo holders? Check Zynga. Yeah, Zynga is a good company. I think they out here in California. I think ZNGA is out here in California. And look, Eartha just went up another 9.24%. It's an amazing coin. It's crazy. I'm gonna figure out how to buy it. I'm gonna figure out how to buy that thing. Neo. Do I have any Neo holders? What are Neo? Neo ninjas. Thought they bought by 2. Neo down bad, but we 10 toes on God. Yeah, I'm sticking with Neo, bro. I got to see it through. I got to see it through, my boy, because when you are an investor, you can't just give. That's anything in life. You can't just give up when there's a little turbulence. You got to see stuff through. One thing again, if you haven't seen my last video, the biggest thing I learned is to take profits. The stocks that I have right now that have never went down, I can show you again if you have not seen the last video. Stocks like this with amazing dividend payouts that are part of the NASDAQ, Prospect Capital. Look at this. Whether it be big, little, whatever you want to say, this is a 43% return during a correction. If it's like this during the correction, what do you think it was like 3 months ago? A month ago? It was $9 in November. So I'm starting to learn, okay, I got to take profits. So if at any point, even now, I could sell a couple, I could sell some and then buy in because guess what? My return is positive. I can buy back into this position if there ever was a dip or if there was any turbulence, right? And if you have if your stock right here, when you look on your portfolio says negative, if you sell, you can't buy back into this for 30 days, or that would be called a wash sale. So be careful when you do your taxes and shit like that. Cryptos he mentioned are SOL, CRO, Ethereum, Axie Infinity, SOS, Eartha, and XRP. Damn, thank you, Sadia. I appreciate you. Hey, any thoughts on OSTK? I've never heard of that one. But all right, I'm gonna check that one right now. But look, I want to put y'all on priority, man. Like this really helped me. Like getting CSWC, PSEC, these stocks, taking the profit from these, even if I just sell $150 worth. At least I'm taking 150 and then I'm letting the rest play with his house money. So these are things that I'm learning as I invested. If I would have did that with all my other positions, AMC, Neo, Mara, all that other shit, like most of the money I lost is just from me having the stocks. It's not from options. I stopped doing options months ago. I may have lost about $800 on options, but that's 800. Everybody's hurting right now, but you're not hurting if you have good stocks that have a good foundation that are not wavering. PSEC, Apple, Teslas, things like that, especially technology companies right now, Microsoft, Nvidia. Okay, just putting it out there. Next, let's go to this next one. OXTK. Oh, Overstock. Is that the shoe company or no? $52. Damn, they had a rough week, rough month. It's hard to judge a company, their performance over these last few months just because of what everybody's been going through. But they just had a doo-doo cheese year. Over the last 3 months, they're down 32%. I mean, 33% pretty much. Sadia says, get dividends and make sure you take profit. I have both of those. I'm paid. Which ones do you have? Again, I'm going to be making another video on my favorite dividend stocks. I believe every ETF that I just got has dividends. It's fire. But again, I'll tell y'all right now to your face, my favorite my favorite dividend stocks, PSEC. I don't know how else to say it, bro. This shit is just beautiful. It just doesn't waver. It's just, I don't know. It just stays down. It's a part of the NASDAQ. It's not volatile. It's just out of the way. You know what I mean? They just in the game. But nobody pays too much attention to them. You get what I'm saying? And they're just opening. They hit corner threes all game. It's like JJ Redick. They're just there. You know what I'm saying? Just knock them down every time they shoot. And then after PSEC, I have CSWC, Apple, amazing dividends. I bought a Zynga option on Friday, sold it this morning for a 225% profit. Shout out to Raider Shoes. Everybody give Raider Shoes some love. Good job. Good job, Raiders. Hey. Solid fundamentals on Overstock. I mean, the company was down bad for a while. You'll see last year they went up to $106 and they went down by 50%. So that's last February 106. We didn't hit February up there, $52. So, if it's going to have that run up again, that's going to be that's amazing. That's a blessing. But right now they're struggling. But it looks like they're making some moves back towards support. Let's see. I have SDY, which is a dividend ETF. Yeah, I heard of that. Let's check that out. SDY. Oh shit. Let's check that out. SDY. Oh yeah. You got you something that's part of the S&P. Anything that's going to say something like S&P or Vanguard ETF fund. These are things that I don't need to explain it anymore, but just saying the rich people put their money in there, and this is what you'll see them put their money into your 401k. Things that are going to allow you to compete and get your average 8 to 10 to 11% returns. Let's say on a year. Look at this. Didn't even have to guess it. It says S&P, and look, over the year, what does it say? Up 20%. So I'm learning this. Like, okay, if I want to beat these motherfuckers, I got to get some of the main components: NVIDIA, AMD, Apple, Tesla, Microsoft. But if I'm going to look at real estate, if I'm going to look at therapeutics, if I'm going to look at consumer goods or utilities also, there's some other bangers in this space as well. But this is dope. It tells you the top 10% holdings. They got Walgreens, hell of a place. Again, Costco. Just think about your life. Like, what's going to happen if they have a shutdown or a lockdown or something happens? Okay, we got a lot of comments in here. My bad, y'all. Let me put these on the screen. Oh, y'all can't even see my screen. That's why y'all can't see the other. I'm pretty much out of the game and focusing on crypto. I only have 3 stocks, ETFs now: Apple, SPYG, and Voog. Putting money into those 3 and letting it ride. Man, you can't lose. I promise you to goodness you won't lose. I promise you to the Lord you won't lose. And once I literally, as Robinhood goes, I'm taking profits, and then I'm probably going to get out of some positions, to be honest with y'all. I want to literally probably have like 4 or 5 stocks. So as I'm growing, I'll take a year. I'll devote myself and stay down for a year. But a couple years. I don't have anything too volatile right now in Robinhood, but if Neo over the next 5 years I project them to do very well. So I might take some of their profits and then just keep going hard in VTI, QQQ. I got QQQ in my public. So like good buddy said, bro, having a good couple technology companies and some good ETFs, and then just focusing on crypto, because when you have it this way, my portfolio has been much more relaxing ever since I had to dollar cost average. I'm not really thinking too much. I might come on here and give y'all some option plays when I have the time to give them to you and see something that's going well in the market. I'll give y'all some option plays, but for the most part, all I've been doing is just coming in here and grabbing my stocks, dollar cost averaging. PSEC, toss some bread in. Neo, toss some bread in. It's a real simple concept. You put me on PSEC and CSWC. That's fire, bro, and they've been doing nothing but numbers. Larry June voice, numbers. I've been with you my whole way, fam. You helped me become a better investor. That's a blessing. It's so dope because I'm learning too, and we all learning together. So now, somebody who just started, right? I can be like, hey, bro, that information I just said, bro, couple technologies, and look at some dope ETFs. That way, you're not even thinking about all the headaches and all this other shit. All you're doing is every week, bread. Get out the way. And then you can focus on what crypto coins you want. It just gives you much more time. Let's see what they say here. Zynga paid today. Nice for real. Let me just check this out because these boys keep talking about it. So let's see. There must be a reason they talking about it, right? Okay, so Zynga, goddamn, Zynga went up 45% today. On the week, they're up 33%. On the month, they're up 37. So I don't know what's happening over here in Zynga, but it's a dope company. They're a gaming and software company. Or they make social games and live services played on mobile platforms such as Apple iOS and Google Android operating systems. So their market cap is about $10 billion, and they have an average volume of $17 million. Y'all see, we doing way more than that in the crypto world. But this is a dope stock. I have no idea why they're on fire right now. This is crazy. Zynga is just on pure fire. So I need y'all in the chat. If you've made money off Zynga, drop an emoji. Drop an emoji for me. Let me see. Let me see who's made money off Zynga. My homie Will told me about another day trade people did last week with EAR. Good job, I'm paid. Exactly. Pay attention to the rich people. I got that Zynga play from Tiblio. Hey, make sure, bro. I got some shit coming for y'all with Tiblio. I got some dope stuff coming. The Discord, we got integration coming. My maintenance man had Rona, so he's bouncing back and integrating stuff now. So it's gonna be dope. I'm really excited. Tiblio. Y'all need to check them out. I'm telling you, had a nice 50% return. Yeah, Zynga paid us. Hey, did all y'all get that from Tiblio? Why don't you do options anymore, bro? I do options, but I do options when first of all, I have to have capital. I have to have capital. I have to have time to look up the option plays for y'all. I'm doing a bunch of other things right now, with like learning about crypto, learning about stocks, learning how to. I'm learning the Greeks for options. Okay, so by the time this market starts correcting itself, I'm gonna be able to jump out there and give y'all some good options. I haven't had to do anything because in the Discord, people have just been trading SPY. People have been trading SPY, making money off of that. A couple different things here and there. I toss some plays in the Discord. I show y'all the most. Actually, every Monday I give y'all option plays, but it's kind of like if you want to listen or not. I'm gonna show you. I show you the most traded contracts as well, but I don't make videos as of right now just on option plays. But I will pick it back up, especially when the market gets back to normal. I learned the hard way earlier about having investing in too many stocks. Today, all I see is red. Yeah, it's gonna be red, but you can buy the dip. Stay down, stay patient. You know what I mean? Hey, Nicole's rocking with Zynga. Tiblio is the truth. Okay, yeah, so that's lit, man. And Neo, AMC, and PSEC. Those are the ones I am buying. Mara is also a buy. Mara is also a buy. Oh, it's going up today. Okay, Mara. And again, I'm telling you, when everything gets corrected, oof, man, when the market comes back and y'all realize y'all been panic selling, when you realize that they just trying to move the economy, inflation caught up to us briefly, you'll understand that everything will bounce back. World's not going to shit, and even if it is going to shit, what does it matter? Where are you going to take your money? Why would you pull it all out? Where are you going to take it if it's the stock market is crashing and it's never going to return? Like if the world's going to be over, then it's going to be over. You're not going to need. Where are you going to need the bread for? Mara is definitely a buy. Gotcha, bro. Thanks for answering my question. You know I got you, Brody. Shout out to Eugene. Also, the option calculator tool. Yep. Yeah, Mara is definitely a buy right now. So there's plenty of stuff for y'all to buy. Right now, it's just up to you and your own judgment. You got to get out your head, get out your feelings, get out your psyche, dive into it. Stay 10 toes with all your companies you believe in. You see me sell out of some positions. I'm gonna open my public portfolio real quick. Let me open public. Public doesn't have they don't have a web application yet, so let me open it up on my phone. Do any questions that y'all got before we get on up out of here? Any questions anybody y'all got? I don't know where you at. I don't know where you from, but I'm proud of you. You understand me? I don't know what you got going on, but I'm proud of you. And my public portfolio has some dope ass stocks in it. They're all red today, but they're amazing. Now listen, this is my safe portfolio. I have Tesla. I done already made over $1,000 with Tesla. I got QQQ. This is an ETF, an amazing ETF. It doesn't show me their top 10 holdings, but it is an index of 100 NASDAQ listed stocks. It has 100 stocks that are listed in the NASDAQ. Apple, Disney, Nike, Teladoc, Beam, and AVXL. One thing I am telling you, I will be selling one of my positions in either Beam or AVXL. I don't need three different science and health companies, especially if that sector turns to shit. I don't. I want to diversify a bit more. He says, "Stay focused. Do not panic. Plan, plot, and strategize." Come on, y'all. Does Tibio got an app? No, they have it's web based and they have a Discord. The crazy thing is y'all gonna be able to actually see them. They're putting their channels in my Discord. So in my Discord now, y'all gonna see me. There's gonna be bots in there. Bots in there that they're putting their same information that they got on the website on Tibio. So if you need it, I'll put the link in the description. Check that out. Just bought some Mara. Hey, oh yo, your icon is fire, miss. I got a Pikachu collection too. That's my Eevee is my favorite, but the Pikachu cards look crazy. So again, I'm telling y'all heads up. I'm telling you right now, I will be once I have profit in AVXL. I profited over $100. Okay, so I'm thinking, do I want to stay on the run, or do I want to just sell that position and buy into QQQ? I only want to have a couple technologies and ETFs. I don't mind having one or two healthcares like Beam and Teladoc. I'm cool with. I'm cool with. And I'm going to recap my investment for both of them before I sell shit. But I'm just saying, over the next 2 years, as my profits come, I'm going to be selling more, and you're going to see me have less stocks. I only need and literally only want maybe 4 to 5 stocks per portfolio, to be honest with you. That's maximum. Because you're going to see me focus on a lot more crypto. How do I stay positive after losing $200? Come on, Patrick. Bro, the money we're putting in here, it's not lost. Now, if you put it on options, it will be, but you learn something. You know what I mean? That's why I always preach getting a good base and foundation. You can't build a home on top of shit. You got to have a good foundation so that way you know what you're doing. We all just learning here, bro, but we're all growing. Some of us are at different stages, but the moral is you can learn from success. People that are having success, look at the famous people, look at the rich people, look at the best investors. There's people that have been down $100,000 in a day, bro. Your little $200 ain't shit. It's just a learning lesson. That's all it is. I'd sell and buy QQQ. I'm in your Discord. Where do I find the Tiblio post? Again, I didn't get a chance to. Some of y'all didn't hear. My maintenance man had Rona, so me and Tiblio have been talking, but he has to get healthy. As he gets healthy over these next 48 hours, you'll start seeing the bot implemented in the Discord, and then I'm going to take it out of that option channel. Take it out of the options channel, and I'm gonna put it in the Diamond District. So I want to incentivize people to join the Diamond District. So right now, we're gonna let y'all have it for free. Everybody that's in the options channel that has level 2 and up, I'm gonna let y'all gonna be seeing it. It's gonna be dope. SB. Hey, my two favorite mods and 4 million on where he's at. It was options. Yeah, it was options. Yeah, it's all good, bro. Don't trip. I didn't lost over 1,000, bro. Like, it's just a lesson. It's not losses. You just learning. Seems like you need good money to buy great options. Yeah, you are like the options that we do, they're just quick plays and quick flips. We're not doing it the traditional way. Really, what you want to do is get an option play and have a further out expiration date, months out, a year out. That's what you really want to do theoretically. Like, you will get an Apple call now because we see where it's headed. We will get a Neo call now because we see where it's headed, and then take it out to 2024. You see what I'm saying? That's the real money. That's what the people with money do with futures and options and things like this. So, you know what I mean? You can't be scary if you want to make some money. You got to really take some money. It don't matter if it's $20 or $40, but understand that you're going to invest that every week or every month or whatever it is, and then you got to keep leveraging that. Don't put your rent money in here, but take the next 3 months to a year to stop spending as much on stupid shit, man, and lock in. If you got a girl and she ain't on your side, like she not understand the vision, she not the one for you. If you got a boyfriend and he don't understand the vision of financial freedom of investing, sacrificing some time now, some dollars now, some meals out now to better ourselves for next year, that ain't the dude for you. It's not the person for you. You feel me? You got to get, that's not the friend for you. You got to get yourself around friends, peers, people, guys, girls that want to do something better for themselves. You know what I'm saying? Want to better themselves. So I love y'all. We spent a nice hot hour on this thing. The plays again: Ethereum, CRO, Axie Infinity, which is AXS, Solana, SOL, XRP, and then we got, God damn, buddy, what's going on? I'm getting calls. There must be some good money on the line, huh? It's always good to get some calls in the morning. So, any closing remarks before we get out of here? Gang? PSEC, buy. Mara, buy. AMC, buy. Neo, buy. Buddy showed y'all Zynga and them making a fortune. I would not go buy Zynga right now when it just went up 45%. You can let it cool off a bit, and then for whatever reason it's going up, then you can ride the wave. Don't go out here with this fear of missing out shit and go buy something at the max price. Unless you have a bunch of money to dollar cost average down as it goes down. Any closing words mentioned? Hey, that's my dog. Shout out to you, Jordan. Thank you, Jordan Farrell, for typing this out. Closing remarks. Buy that damn dip. Can't say it better, man. I love all of y'all. I don't know where you from, what you got going on, man. I don't know. I don't know what height you are. I can't tell you. I can't be everywhere at once, but I'm proud of you. I need you to lock in. Focus. Today is day 70 or 69. 69, 70 more days to lock in. I'm turned up. You're not going to see me out all the time and clubbing and doing this other shit and buying. No, I'm locked in. I'm reading. I'm learning, getting smart as hell. So next time when y'all see me in summer, that boy reading them charts, ain't he? That boy know how to read the charts. That boy know how to read the Greeks, so he knows how to get in and out of options. That boy knows how to day trade. You get what I'm saying? I'm better than myself. So I love y'all. Have a good and great day. Until next time, like this video, share this video. We definitely need to boost the engagement. I appreciate y'all. UD.